introducing to you what is linear equation. So not only for our exam, linear equation actually helps us to solve some of our daily life problems. For example, let's say if you have a ratio questions, two persons can take 10 pies. So what if we have 6 persons? How many pies can we take? Okay, so you can actually use the cross multiplication methods to solve this ratio using linear equation. Yeah. So 2 times x equal to 6 times 10, which is 60. So you can find what is the value of x. So this is how we use linear equation to solve ratio problem. Other than that, we need the foundation of a good linear equation to solve Pythagoras theorem. Okay, and in higher form, you might need this linear equation method to solve all the various types of quadratic equation. Okay, so therefore, it is very important for us to know what is actually a linear equation. Okay, first we move on to a few examples. Okay, some common examples that we can actually use to calculate and using this linear equation to solve. Okay, so question 1, m plus 10 equals to 17. Okay, so how do you calculate this is that you need to find out what is actually m. So what you need to do is you can move this plus 10 to the opposite side. Okay, so therefore you will get 17 minus 10. Okay, so from plus 10, you actually need to change to negative 10 here. So you can either use your mental calculation or you can use your calculator to calculate the final answer. 17 minus 10 is 7. Okay, next question. X plus 10 equals to negative 7. Negative 7, negative 10. Why is it negative 10? It's because of plus 10 here. So when you change plus 10 to the other side or shift it to your right side, you are getting a negative 10. So your final answer will be x negative 17. Next question, question 3. X minus 2 equal to negative 12. So when you move negative 2 to the other side, it becomes a positive. Okay, so when you move negative to the other side, it becomes a positive. So therefore, your final answer will be negative 12 plus 2, you get negative 10. Okay, next we move on to question 4. 7 plus y equals to 15. Here you need to keep the y on your left side. And when you move 7 to the other side, it becomes negative 7. Reason being that the front part of 7 here, you actually have a plus, but we don't usually list it down. Okay, so when you move it to your right side, you get a negative 7. So your final answer will be 8. 15 minus 7, you get a 8. Okay, next, 2x equal to x plus 3. For this, you need to move your x from your right side to your left side. So you got 2x minus x equals to 3. Okay, so your final answer will be x equal to 3. Question 6, 8 equals 7 minus x. For this question, okay, maybe I can consider moving minus x, okay, minus x to your left side, it becomes positive x, okay. So minus x here, when I move to your left side, it becomes a positive. So 7 minus 8. So from your left side here, 8, when you move it to your right side, it becomes a negative 8. Therefore, when you change from your left to right or right to left, you need to change the sign. So the final answer will be negative 1. Question 7. Here you have two terms, 7x and 6x. You need to combine them. And a 2 and minus 16, you have to combine them. So what you can do is, you move 6x to your left side, becomes negative 6x. So 2 plus 16, okay? Negative 16 becomes plus 16. So as we know, 7x minus 6x, you get x equal to 18. That's your final answer. Okay, the last question here. Negative 4x minus 5 equals to 10 minus 5x. So you need to combine this together. Okay, so you have minus 4x, which is untouched, plus 5x equals to 10 plus 5. Okay, why is it called plus 5? Reason being that you are moving negative 5 to your right side, it becomes positive 5. So your next line will be x equals to 15. That's your final answer.